Team Blade 96 here with some new Beyblades. I'm on the webcam now with an unboxing tirade. I went to Walmart with some extra money, but the Hasbro, because I can't afford to karate me. Word to your launcher. Nah, that's just me messing around, y'all. Team Blade 96 here, as you probably already figured that out, you know, from the annoying voice. I got Legend Cyber Pegasus. Of course, it's Hasbro, you know. Nothing real special, except for the awesome performance tip. I really like that. And we have the 2-pack from the Metal Masters, Earth Virgo and Evil Pisces. But I'm just gonna unbox this right now. But I gotta set some up here. I gotta do these CDs for my mom and my dad, because I had some extra money and so did they, and they're big country fans, as you can probably see from Hank Williams. So yeah, if y'all like Hank Williams, y'all can let me know in a comment. You know, not really gonna care that much, so I'm gonna put this first CD in, and sorry if my rap sucked. Haven't really been rapping in a while. If y'all wanna see me rap, you can look me up on Facebook. It's Eli Lowe, and if y'all recognize me, you'll probably see my face on there. Hold up for a little while. I gotta burn this CD on here. I'll be burning the CD while I'm doing this, so let me press burn. Oh, wait a minute. Let's see. Where is it? Never mind. I'll just get to the unboxing video. So, I'll be doing this second. So we got Legend Cyber Pegasus here. Pretty awesome bay. All about attack, not really that much for stamina and defense and all that, but mainly about attack. But it's a pretty nice bay. If you can see the stats, and of course I'll be giving away the code because I don't care about the code. Most likely be using this in my next battle video, and I hate that they do this. They have the stupid short ripcord, and I hate it. I hate them. I mean, come on, give us at least 3 to 4 more inches on the ripcord. So we have the face bolt, which is not anything like the new awesome Metal Masters with the printed face bolt, and I just dropped it. No, I didn't. It's right here. Fusion wheel is of course Pegasus. Metal wheel, Cyber. Pretty awesome. Really like it because it has some awesome attack potential. 105 spin track. Pretty sure. Let's see. Yeah, it's the 105 low profile, you know. And this is just the flat performance tip for aggressive movement. That's what it says on the box anyway. And we have the stupid, said stupid because it was being stubborn with me, the blue tool and the red ripcord launcher. Yeah. Excuse me if I'm a little bit aggressive in my speech today. Had a good day. It's just I'm tired like a mess. Oh, where's my knife when I need it? I mean, seriously, what is gonna happen to your face ball? You don't need to tell me why they do this with the face balls. It's really lame. Don't like it. Oh yeah, forgot about the stickers and instructions, which nobody needs. Everybody knows how to put a Beyblade together. And if they don't, they're just dumb. I really hate how they do. Oh, wait a minute. I can't really see that good. How they do this crap with the face ball. Alright, so there we have the face bolt. And we'll slap this puppet together real quick. So there you have Legend Cyber Pegasus. Awesome Bay. I'm so gonna use it all the time. So remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Oh yeah, I never showed y'all the card for Pegasus. Has all the parts, tells you everything about it. If you can see the numbers, take them down. I don't really care that much anymore. This will probably be the next one I'll battle with my Leon over here. Sweet. And of course we have 2 more awesome bays for you in my next unboxing video. So that's it for this video, and I hope you liked it. And we will see you in about 2 or 3 minutes after I load this first CD. Goodbye, and have a nice day.